Hi and welcome back to Rashmi's Feel the Food. If you are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you. Recently, I kicked off a special series of food recipes that's close to my heart called Heritage Foods. In this series, we are diving deep into the treasures of traditional recipes, unlocking the time-honored flavors that have been passed down through the generations. So welcome to Heritage Foods episode number 2. Today, we are diving into a rich culinary heritage with a dish that's not just a recipe, it's a journey through flavors and traditions. Join me as we unlock the secrets of a beloved heritage recipe called Patrode Payasa or Patrode Palidya. Imagine a delicate colocasia leaf transformed into a savory patrode and paired perfectly with a luscious payasa crafted from rice and roasted urad dal. The result? A symphony of sweet, tangy and spicy taste that will transport you to a new world. This recipe comes from Kundapura, a coastal town in Karnataka where I have my roots. And this video is dedicated to my beloved grandmother. It was her all-time favorite. The primary goal of creating this video is to preserve this cherished recipe in the vast memory of big internet world. Throughout this video, I'll guide you step by step, making this age-old recipe accessible to everyone. So before we start, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell and let's get cooked. Together, we'll not only savor the flavors, but also preserve the essence of this incredible Patrode Payasa recipe. We'll start the recipe by roasting 1.5 cups of normal dosa rice. Roast it over medium heat until it becomes warm and can no longer be held in your palms. This may take around 5 minutes. Once it is roasted, turn off the heat and spread it on a towel to cool. Next, we'll roast 1/4 cup of urad dal over low heat until it turns a nice golden brown color. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool down. Next, we'll roast the masalas for the patrode. Take 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 4 teaspoon of urad dal, 3 to 4 badgi red chilies and little coconut oil in a heavy bottom pan. Roast these ingredients on low heat until the dal changes to a nice golden brown color. Once the dal changes in color, add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin and 3 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Roast everything for few seconds and turn off the heat. Transfer this mixture to a plate and let it cool completely. After an hour, our rice has cooled nicely. I'll reserve 1 cup for the payasa and take the remaining 1/2 cup for the patrode. Now I'll give both the rice a good rinse 3 to 4 times and add water. Let it soak for half an hour. Moving on to the patrode masala, our rice has soaked for about 30 minutes. Into the blender jar, I'll go with the 1/2 glass of soaked rice, adding roasted masalas, 1/2 cup of freshly grated coconut, tamarind, 1/2 lemon sized, salt to taste, a hint of jaggery, a pinch of turmeric and water for grinding. After achieving a slightly coarse texture, the batter is ready. I'll take it out, add a little water and mix everything well. We have got some fresh colocasia leaves from my mom's home garden. Give these leaves a good rinse and remove the bigger veins. Apply batter to the backside of the leaf and stack one leaf over the other for about 4 to 5 layers. Then follow the folding and rolling steps demonstrated in the video. After preparing the rolls, let them steam for at least 25 to 30 minutes. So our job with the patrude is done. Next we'll head towards making payasa. To prepare the payasa, transfer the remaining glass of soaked rice into a blender jar, adding sufficient water for grinding. Pulse 7 to 8 times until the rice is coarsely ground with the noticeable particles. Next, boil around 5 glasses of water. Then add coarsely ground rice. Stir continuously as it thickens quickly. Adjust the consistency with additional water if needed. Once it reaches to a boiling point, let it simmer for 5 minutes. Next, we'll take our roasted urad dal in the same blender jar and add around half of a medium-sized coconut grated. We'll grind this as finely as possible and add it to the boiling rice mixture. We'll add some more water if required. Mix everything well. Once it reaches boiling point, add around 2.5 cups of jaggery and cook for some more time. Our patrude has been steaming for almost 30 minutes. We'll turn off the heat. Let's go back to our payasa. When it reaches the boiling point, add 3 cups of buttermilk and salt to taste. Mix everything well and allow this to boil for some more time. Our payasa is also ready. Moving on to plating, let's transfer some payasa into a separate bowl. We have some fresh turmeric leaves again from my mom's home garden. We'll take 1 turmeric leaf each and dip it in the payasa. Next, we'll slice our patrude. Place these slices delicately on top of the payasa without stirring. If the payasa is thick, the slices will stay afloat. If it's thin or runny, they might sink. Yes, that's it. Our patrude payasa is ready to be enjoyed. When serving, savor the savory patrude piece alongside the rich creamy payasa, creating a delightful blend of flavors. The savory essence from the patrude and the sweet, sour and creamy balance from the rice and roasted urad dal payasa. Creating this dish is a time-consuming journey, requiring hours of preparation and cooking. The end result is unique and unfamiliar cooking experience. Thank you so much for joining me on this flavorful journey today. I hope you enjoyed every step of this process as much as I did. If you found this recipe interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and share the love with your fellow foodies. Subscribe to my channel for more delightful recipes and heritage recipes that connect us to the heart of our traditions. Feel free to leave your thoughts, questions and suggestions in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you decide to recreate this patrude payasa magic in your kitchen, tag me on Instagram. I'll be thrilled to see your creations. Remember, every dish tells a story, and this one is a tribute to the rich flavors created by our grandmothers and generations before us. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your kitchen always be filled with love and delicious aromas. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes on Rashmi's Feel the Food. See you in the next one. Bye.